Hello everyone, this is Amin AG. This video is for boys and girls who wants to change their weight. Either you want to drop the weight and get shredded, or you want to build muscle or gain weight. It's for you. This is second step in our journey to reach to our ideal body. Already I explained the first step in another video, golden rules. If you have not seen that video yet, please go and check it out, because these steps are connected together like a chain. Me and other models, we follow same protocol to get ready for a shoot or fashion show, or even for maintain our body in a good shape year round, because unlike bodybuilding or bodybuilders, we don't have any off-season or on-season. We have to be in good shape every single day, because you never know when is your next shoot. Suddenly they call you for the audition and you have to get ready in a few hours. So let's don't waste the time and get right into it. There are a lot of formulas out there you can use for calculate your daily calorie, but probably you ask yourself and you get confused and what is the best way, which one is good, which one works well. Before I explain the best and easiest way which actually work, I have to mention all of this formula estimate your calorie intake, and it's not exact amount of the calorie which you burn in a day. But don't worry, this is a good starting point, and I will explain how to get the exact amount of calorie which you burn in a day in the further steps. So why you don't subscribe to this channel to get notified when I upload those tips and those steps? I'm sure you can reach the desired body by following those tips and those steps. So what is the best formula or best way to achieve your goal and calculate your daily calorie intake? So guys, it's new century, leave the formula, use the apps. And there's a lot of apps out there, I know, but I use MyFitnessPal for more than 3 years. It's a little bit tricky to set the exact parameter to give you the best result. But don't worry, I will cover it in all details in the other video, like FitnessPal tutorial, something like that. But in this video, I will say you how you can start, set the parameters, and I will show you an example of myself, how I use MyFitnessPal. You can get a good idea about how to set all details. The good things about this app, it's completely free. Also, it has a lot of the paid option, which I don't use it personally, because the free version it worked for me very well. After signing up in this application, it will ask you a few basic questions like your height, your age, gender, and this kind of things. And please put the correct information, like correct height, exact height, and the birthday. So because the application based off this information will calculate your metabolism, or will calculate your BMI and other things. The other things you have to put in the application is your current weight. Then you have to choose one goal. For example, I'm 88 kilograms and I want to reach to the 87. I drop 1 kg and shred my body. The coolest part of this application is the weekly goal. And there is 3 different zones, like for those who want to drop the weight, maintain your body, or maintain the weight, or gain the weight. If you want to drop your weight, the application doesn't allow you to drop more than 1 kg per week. And I suggest you drop 200 to maximum 400 grams per week, not more than that. You can put in the 1 kg per week, but it's not for everyone. The professional athlete who has already developed the cardiovascular system and has a big mitochondria and their body is ready for this kind of challenge, it's good for the 1 kg per week. But for most people, 200 to maximum 400 grams per week is enough. Because if you drop your weight very rapidly, You will increase your cortisol hormones, and it will mess with your other hormones, and I will explain what happens if you rapidly drop the weight. But for now, just listen to me please. Don't drop your weight very fast, very quickly. It's not gonna burn your fat. You will lose a lot of other things. Even for those who want to gain the weight, you cannot gain 10 kg per week. It's impossible. Those extra weight is the fat, it's not muscle. And muscle make your body beautiful. Next step is activity level. There is few options for activity level, but guys, especially for those who want to drop the weight or lose the weight, be honest. I've always, whenever I want to drop my weight, I put my activity level in the active, not very active. But my day is full of activity. When I wake up in the morning, I go into the work. I work 8 to 12 hours. I do the shoot. All of my work is standing. I give the different pose every second, and whole day I'm in the activity. Then I come home, go to the gym. I do the workout for 2 hours, 1.5 hours. Mostly I do the weight training and half an hour cardio, or I go for my kickboxing class. And it's the whole day I have an active lifestyle, but I never put for the very active. Very active is for those who professional athlete or UFC fighter who train 2 times a week, 2 times per day, and 8 hours each session takes time, and it's hyper active. So be honest, if you go to the gym 2-3 times a week, or you don't have that much activity in day, don't put the active. Lightly active is good. So it's important for those who wants to drop the weight. Another section of this app is calorie and macronutrients goals, and it's very important. Not for everyone. For those who are obese and just wants to drop the weight or just wants to gain the weight, it doesn't matter that much. The calories is enough for them. They have to follow the calories. But if you want to be a sexy girl or you want to be a handsome shredded boy, you have to go one step further and set your macro properly. Macronutrition is very big topic and very important. I will cover it in detail in other videos. But for now, it's better you guys consult with your coach or your nutrition to get the best possible macronutrition percentage for yourself. But in this video I give you my macronutrition for giving you an example, and I just want to give the idea. It worked for me. Based on my information, for losing 1 kg, 200 grams per week, I have to almost consume 2700 calories. Because I want to make it easy for myself, always I consider my protein first. Because protein is basic things for building your muscles. I will cover it in other videos again, but just keep in your mind, just consider your calories and your protein. Other things like fat and carbs, it doesn't matter that much. So whenever I want to drop the weight or get shredded for any shoot, I increase my protein intake up to 30% of my total calories. Whenever I want to maintain body, or I'm okay, I don't have an issue, I just want to be on shape for daily activity, I a little bit decrease it to 25%. So my protein always between 25% to 30%. But because I have a very busy day and most of the time I'm not in the home to cook and eat whatever I want and calculate that, so I just consider my calorie and my protein intake. And other two things like carb and fat, it doesn't matter. I just focus on these two, calorie, protein. It's not necessary, you don't want to compete, so you don't want to hassle yourself and struggle yourself for calculate each and everything. Guys, we have another life. We cannot like a professional bodybuilder life, calculate everything, because their life is completely different. After finding your calorie and setting your protein and other parameters, the only things left is putting your daily food in the application. Whenever you eat something easily, immediately, you can put it in the application, you can search it, or you can even, if you can find it in application, you can put it, the nutrition find, behind that thing you eat to the application. And don't forget, put it immediately, because later you can forget it, or you forget the portion which you use that. If you have not used this application, download it, set your parameters, and start putting your food which you eat in the application. I promise you, you will get shocked after 1 week. Until that time, I make the third steps ready. And see, this my goal is improve step by step your lifestyle, because I believe that the diet you can follow for short time, and short time doesn't change anything in your life. But if you can change your lifestyle, easily you will change your body without noticing that. I'm sure about that, because these steps I've done and I get results from that and change my lifestyle, and my lifestyle changed my body. And I'm sure and I believe that you can do it too. You can follow me on Instagram too to see how I eat, how I do workout, and how I change my body. I put a lot of cool stuff there which I cannot put in the YouTube channel. Feel free to ask me any question. You can put the comments below here in the YouTube channel, or you can send me a direct message in my Instagram. I will check each and every comments and direct message and reply to all of them. I don't want to make this video too long. Please use the app, put your food in that, and you can share it with me and see how it changed your life. I will come back with the third steps of this fitness journey to reach your ideal body. Till that time, see you soon.